Hello, everybody. I'm Kaveri Priya, and I'm currently a freshman at SUTD, which is Singapore University of Technology and Design. And I've taken the boot camp and the courses by WiselyWise. And I must say that they built quite the foundation for me in terms of laying my interest in the field of AI and how I decided to pursue it. And I was a part of the boot camp, and this was over a period of 3 days that we had the WiselyWise boot camp. And over the course of the boot camp, I remember we were very gradually introduced to a lot of concepts, and most importantly, the applications of where the AI concepts can be used. And I thought that was a very important approach to teaching AI, which is more like top down. So they teach us where it can be applied, how it can be applied, how impactful it can be in the industry, and how we can actually do that and create that kind of impact. And I thought that was very insightful at that point of time, because I wasn't really looking at AI as a potential field for me to pursue. And yeah, after that boot camp, we actually created chatbots, Facebook chatbots, as a hands-on project. We had a lot of Kahoot quizzes. I think I won a Kahoot quiz. I think WiselyWise's courses are very strong about their foundations, and I think you should really take them as soon as possible, because it's really good to take them early on, and uh, and apply those concepts in real life projects. And I think that's the more important part. Gaining information is cool, but creating projects that are impactful and uh, translating it into things that are valuable to society and community is very important.